In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. We'll start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. When it launches, look to the top left for the Round Office button. Click it, choose New, and decide whether you want a blank presentation or a ready-made template. Blank gives you full control. A template gives you a coordinated look right away, which can be a fast way to stay consistent. PowerPoint begins with a title slide. Click where it says, "Click to add title," and type a short, clear headline. In the subtitle area, add a brief description or tagline that sets the context. Keep it concise so the slide stays clean and easy to read. Next, add more slides. Go to the Home tab and click New Slide. You'll see layout choices like title and content or to content. Pick a layout that matches what you want to show. Title and content is great for a main point with supporting text or a picture. To content is handy for comparisons or side-by-side visuals. Choosing the right layout up front helps your slide stay organized. Now add your content. For text, click the built-in placeholders and start typing. If the layout doesn't have a spot where you need it, go to Insert and choose Text Box to place text exactly where you want. Keep paragraphs short and legible. For images, go to Insert and click Picture. Then select a clear, high-resolution image. After inserting, drag the corners to resize proportionally and position it so it complements your message. For data visuals or icons, use Insert, then Chart or Shapes. Pick a chart type that matches your data and use simple shapes to highlight key points without cluttering the slide. To give your deck a cohesive look, head to the Design tab and explore Themes. Click a theme to instantly apply coordinated backgrounds, colors, and fonts across all slides. This helps everything feel polished and consistent, and you can switch themes later if you change your mind. If you want a little motion, you can add transitions and animations. Go to the Animations tab and choose Transition to this slide for a subtle slide change. For objects on a slide, open Custom Animation, select the text box or image, and add an effect. Keep effects consistent and minimal so they support your message rather than distract from it. That's it. With these steps, you can build a clean, professional presentation in PowerPoint 2007.